In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find starred place in Waze. First, open Waze and make sure you're on the map screen. This is where you'll be able to access the tools needed to view saved or starred locations. If the map is still loading, just give it a moment so everything appears properly before moving on. Once you are already inside the map, take a quick look around the screen so you can get familiar with the layout. The main thing you'll be focusing on is the right-hand side because that's where the option you need is located. This is helpful if you're using Waze on a larger screen and want to quickly spot the editing and review controls without getting distracted by the rest of the map. Now look on the right-hand side of the interface and find the pencil icon. When you see it, click on that pencil icon. This opens the editing-related tools and gives you access to more detailed options beyond simple navigation. If you don't notice it right away, scan the side panel carefully since the icon can be easy to miss at first glance. After clicking the pencil icon, shift your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. A panel should appear there with additional options. On that panel, click on Review. This section is where Waze groups tasks and items that can be checked, filtered, or reviewed, including starred places. Once you're in the review area, go to the upper part of that section and look for the All Tasks drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down to open the list of available task types. This menu is useful because it lets you narrow down what appears on the map, so you only see the type of item you're looking for. From that drop-down list, select Starred. As soon as you choose this option, Waze will filter the view to show only starred places. This saves time and makes it much easier to identify locations that have already been marked. After selecting Starred, all the starred places will appear instantly on the map. At this point, you can review them visually and locate the one you need. If you have several starred places, it may help to zoom in or pan around the map for a clearer view. And that's it. By going to the map, opening the pencil icon, choosing Review, and then filtering the task list to Starred, you can quickly find all your starred places in Waze.